Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Stefan's Kitchen. I'm going to be bringing you guys a lot of Christmas, well I shouldn't say a lot, but a few Christmas desserts and recipes that I made just this Christmas passing by. One of the most popular things that people always want are shortbread cookies. So, I do this with real butter, makes a huge difference. Don't substitute regular margarine or, that sort of thing. Go with real butter. It makes a huge difference. And by all means, try both. Try margarine, then try butter. I can guarantee you, you'll never try margarine again after you try the butter shortbreads. Very easy recipe, not that many ingredients. Alright, so as you can see here, we're going to start off with our cornstarch. We're going to use about a half a cup for a batch. I'm doing about a triple batch, 4 batches. Next is icing sugar, about a half a cup of icing sugar as well. And the next thing we're going to add in is 1 cup of flour. Now, usually in recipes where they say, oh, you have to sift it, I don't have a sifter because I don't really see any need for one. I take a small whisk like this, I combine my ingredients, and I kind of just whisk them together. That's enough for me. Next, we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of butter. As I said, I'm making about 4 times the amount, so add that in, and next is the fun part. You get to put your hands in with that butter and all those dry ingredients and squish it. Squish it and squish it and squish it. And believe me, there is more than enough butter there to be able to make a soft little shortbread dough. And it will all fully incorporate. You just got to give it time. And the nice thing about this is that this doesn't need any leavening, meaning that it's not going to rise or anything like that. So you don't need to worry about over kneading or anything like that. It's going to yield you a delicious, yummy butter shortbread cookie. And as you can see, I'm doing a lot of kneading. I've even sped it up a little bit, made a bit of a mess. And as you can see in the background there's quite a few other ingredients. That's for other recipes, so don't get too worried just yet. Now, on the top of your cookies, you're going to want something. Some people use cherries, the colored red and green ones, like the candied cherries that you have around Christmas time. Some people use gumdrops, some people use M&Ms. You can use whatever you want pretty much. I prefer to use gumdrops, so once we get to that part, you will see me using little tiny gumdrops. And as you can see, our dough is slowly starting to come together. There we go. So once it's nice and whole like that, just take up, see, oh, here's the mini gumdrops I was talking about. Alright, take a little bit. I like to roll around in my hands and press it down a little bit with the palm of my hand a little bit. And there you go, that's it. You don't need to make them super round. They don't have to be uniform. We're baking here. We're just trying to make a delicious product. So, and I mean, they'll get as round as you want them to be, kind of thing. And as you can see, next I'm going to be putting little gumdrops onto each one of these. I try to make it as colorful as possible. We'll have a red one and probably another orange or a yellow. Oh, another red. Okay, see, it doesn't even matter. You can put them in whichever way you want. Alright, and we're going to bake these in the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. Watch them though, because different ovens have different kind of temps. They warm up quicker, they cool off quicker, that sort of thing. So be very careful. Try doing a batch of maybe 3 or 4 cookies at a time first. See if they work out. If it turns a little bit too brown, well, reduce your time by a couple of minutes, or reduce your heat a little bit. But once they're done, as you can see, they look like this. Nice, delicious shortbread cookies. Just a little bit of browning on the edge. You don't want to burn them. Anyways, hopefully that was nice and easy for you guys. Please enjoy and let me know how you like them. Have a good day. Bye-bye.